Meanwhile, West African leaders have been reminded on their responsibility as a government to protect their citizens. This was carried out at a forum by the West African Regional Bloc, ECOWAS, so that governments can protect populations from genocide, war crimes, crimes against humanity, and ethnic cleansing. The two-day forum was held in Abuja, Nigeria, to assess the existing structures and capacity of ECOWAS to respond to mass atrocities within the region. This is to create more awareness on the issue and how to ensure compliance by member states. The West African Regional Bloc, ECOWAS, organized a forum to assess existing structures and capacities at ECOWAS to respond to mass atrocities within the region. The president of the ECOWAS Commission, Mr. Kadiri Desire Wadrego, said the region had envisioned a collective security and response mechanism which emphasized the resolve to give assistance for defense against any armed threat in member countries. The president was represented by the Assistant Director, Early Warning Department of the ECOWAS Commission, Mrs. Florence Ihene.
The Protocol on Mutual Assistance in Defense of 1981, both of which emphasize a resolve to give mutual aid and assistance for defense against any armed threat and aggression on the member states from third countries. The 1999 ECOWAS Protocol relating to the mechanism